Now you can download FRC by staying in your home from your mobile. Just download the Pak-ID app from App Store or Play Store. Log in into the app or sign up. Then click on FRC type from options. Then you can select to download the FRC for your parents or for your siblings, or you can download the FRC for your kids or for your wife or husband as well. Also, you can do it for adoption option as well. Then uh, you can see the all members are available there. Then you need to click start application, and there will be a fees that you need to pay in order to download the FRC. But if you are viewing it from mobile, it's free. So then on next option you can see the all family members in appearing into your FRC. Then click on the next option. Then it will ask your information to fill on, so it can appear into your FRC. So also you can add the missing member as well, which is not appearing here, and then click on save. Then you need to click the acknowledgement that you have read the information, and then the NADRA will take time to review your FRC, and then there will be an option appear, the cards option to pay the fees. You can pay the fees by using any of the payment method which is appear in the FRC, and then when you paid, then there will be the FRC will be available in short time, and then you can download it as many as time you want.